Did you know that 740 million business owners have an account on LinkedIn? Hey guys, my name is Panagiotis, I'm the owner of Digit, and today I'll tell you my story about the milestone that I reached to grow my business to what it is today. So when I first started my agency, I was trying to find ways to generate leads. At first, like every small business owner, I was relying on referrals. So friends and family, those people referred me to several people they know, several business owners, and word of mouth, I managed to, to acquire my first clients and start my business. When I wanted to reach even more people and start to grow my business with clients outside my country, I started using LinkedIn, which was gold, and it is still gold because if you remember the statistic I said at the beginning of the video, it's actually 740 million users are currently on LinkedIn. If you think about it, this is the total population of the European Union and the United States combined. This is a huge number. And according to statistics, around half of these people are active daily on LinkedIn, using the smartphone, using the laptops, and so on. So when I started my journey, I was trying to post quality content, I was commenting, I was reaching out with messages, but I had like minor success. It wasn't really working for me, and it didn't worth my time investing in these things. So what I tried to do, and one of the things that you probably heard me talking quite a lot of times before, is that one of my favorite saying is that we don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just check what is currently happening in any area and you try to model what's working. So what I did, I was trying to find people with huge following, with many connections on LinkedIn, and I started following them, and I was trying to see what they were doing differently. And that was the moment that I understood that was my big mistake. My big mistake that my LinkedIn profile was not optimized to attract people. It was not giving the right information. It was not appealing. So what I did, I was starting to experiment with my LinkedIn profile, and finally I managed to grow my LinkedIn connections to more than 13,000. If you check my profile now, you will see that I have like 12 and a half, almost 13,000 active connections. And this thing happened, it really took off after I changed my profile using very simple strategies. And these strategies, I was keeping notes and everything, and I put them together in a very short and simple PDF guide, an ebook that you can download now for free. So you don't need to spend 2 or 3 years like I did in order to become your LinkedIn profile will become something that will actually help you, bring clients, generate leads, and grow your business network. So if you check below this video, you will see a link. You'll click on the link, you'll enter your name and email, and I will email your PDF guide right away to your email. So click the link and get the PDF ebook right now. Thanks for watching.